Today's air gunning video is brought to you from the studio of Papa T Adventures. We hope you enjoy. Alright family, welcome back to the 7-yard line. We have our Millennium Edition of the Red Ryder out again. So we just had that sharing the joy of air gunning video where I used it. I wanted to give it a fair shake instead of a windy shake for trying this challenge. See if we can't go pro. Let's put a few on turkey first. And then we'll try and go through the actual target. Well, we can manage no misfires. Let's see how it looks. Like more or less on target. All right, let's start with center leg lamp. Three. 4. 5. 6. Like we're shooting a little to the right. Let's move on to that left lamp. And that one was dead on where I pointed. Who'd have thought it?
Hi.
Right one. Misfire there. 2. Another misfire. 3. 4. 5. Down to the soap. 2. 3. 4. 5. If we can't get some Dakota rings here. 2. 3. 4. 5. Misfire right at the end of it. 5. All right, family. We finally get a bonus. I have it. Looks like we went low. There's our shots. Take to the table, see how many points we managed, and I'll see you there. All right, family. Now, got the points all added up. Let's take a look and see how we did with our Millennium Edition of the Red Ryder. Indoors this time. So this was made in August 2000. Got the Millennium Edition down here underneath the Red Ryder. Also, it says 2000 Millennium Edition stamped on the metal. To be honest, we did better outside, family. So shooting at the main lampshade, this shot that's down here is actually for the decoder when we shot at the decoder ring. You guys would have seen that. So we did manage 3 of them that touched and 2 that missed. It's 3 points there. On this lamp, we got 1 here and 1 here. Just missed with the one down there. 1 over here, and then, sorry, that went with this one. This went with this one. So only 4 points there, 2 hits. Also only managed to get 2 to hit the shade on this leg. Did a little better with the soap. We got 3 hits on the soap. 1 just low and 1 down towards the bottom of the paper. Decoder ring, we shot a nice ring around it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th shot way over here, and then low again, or low with our bonus point attempt. So 17 points this time. Didn't do any better with the Millennium Edition than we did outside with the wind. Apparently the wind helped me. I got a 19 then, 17 this time. But I suspect that's more Papa T and less the gun. Thanks for stopping by, family, and we'll catch you next time.